Hi, good morning. Today's topic of discussion is storage and classification of inventory. Under this topic, I will show you practically how we create godowns in order to do purchase and sales entries, and how we allocate stock to particular godown while opening balance while defining opening balance. Number one, it is very important to keep the track of goods manufactured or received in batches with expiry details, and also storage of the same is very crucial for an organization which is dealing in manufacturing or trading of goods. A good storing and classification details will help a business to move out of the stock on time. In Prime, we can maintain storage details by activating godown feature, and also classification or grouping of stock can be maintained by enabling the option stock category and stock group. We can also maintain the details of perishable goods, batch details, manufacturing and expiry details in Prime by enabling the option batch-wise detail. So now I'll tell you what is godown. So godown is a place where inventories and stocks are stored. You can specify the stock item to a particular godown. The user can get the reports of movement of stock between different locations and godowns, and inward and outward of stock items for each godown. Now I'll show you practically how you are going to create godowns in Prime. So for this, I'll go to create option, go to godown under inventory master, and here I can create three types of godowns. One is local, warehouse, next is showroom, stores, next is scrap, warehouse. Alright. Next is, now I'll show you how we can allocate stock to particular godown while defining opening balance. So it means that while creating any stock item, you have to define the opening balance and the rate and the amount. So for this, I'm going backwards and we'll go to stock item. For example, they have given me on 31st March 2024, Shri Devi International has the following stock with them in local warehouse godown. So here what I will do, I'll create a stock item with the name bicycle. Primary stock group, I'll create cycle for children's at age of 10 years. This is the stock group. Unit I will select as numbers, and it is already created by me. And here you can see that this is the opening balance. So when we have to allocate the stock while defining the opening balance, so we will do like this. Quantity is 15 numbers. Warehouse is local warehouse. Rate is 4800 and amount is 72,000. So this way I have created the opening balance of the stock item bicycle. Now they have given me some purchase entries regarding inventory. On 1st July 2023, to avoid shortage of bicycle, Shri Devi International purchased the bicycle from Atlas Global and kept it in local warehouse. So what we will do, we will go back, we will go to vouchers and press F9. Wait a second. Yes. So this is the purchase voucher. Here first of all I'll change the date to 1st July 2023. Supplier invoice number here will be PUR001. Party account name, we are purchasing the bicycle from Atlas Global. So by pressing Alt plus C, we will create a ledger over here, Atlas Global. It will comes under sundry creditor. Now I'll create a ledger over here of purchase ledger under purchase account. Now it's time to create a stock item, but as we already know that we are purchasing bicycle, so bicycle stock item is already created by me. So this is on the right hand side list that bicycle is showing over here. So apart from having 15 quantity of bicycles, we are still purchasing 70 bicycles more from Global Atlas. Godown is local warehouse, quantity is 70 and rate is 4900 and amount is 3,43,000. Alright, so this way we have done the entry. These are the additional details, you don't need to fill these details. Alright. Next, the next question they have given to me is recording stock transfer entry using stock journal. So they have given me some stock journal entry. Stock journal we use actually when we have to transfer stock from one godown to another godown. Then we do the practical entry via stock journal. So I'll go back and what I'll do, I'll open vouchers, I'll press F10 other vouchers and from here I'll open my stock journal. Alright, so here what I'll do, what they are doing is on 1st July 2023, that means on the same day, 55 number of bicycles out of 70 was transferred from local warehouse to showroom stores. So I'll select bicycle over here. Godown is local warehouse. Quantity is 55 at the rate 4882.35. It comes automatically. And here I'll select bicycle for destination. And the destination godown is showroom stores. 55 and the rate will comes automatically. So this way we have done the stock journal entry, which means that we actually transfer out of 70 bicycles, we actually transfer 55 bicycles from local warehouse to showroom stores. Alright. Next is, there is one another entry over here. What they are doing, they have given me one activity that the company has opened a new showroom and transfer the following stock items from local warehouse to Jayanagar store. So I'll show you the activity over here. So they are again transferring 10 bicycles from local warehouse to Jayanagar store. So I'll select bicycle over here. Godown is local warehouse. 10 units are transferring at the same rate to bicycle, and I need to create a godown over here. Jayanagar stores. So I'll select Jayanagar stores over here. Quantity is 10. Rate will be the remain same. That is, this way we have done the. Alright. Now the next entry is voucher stock journal is they are using. Following on 1st July 2023, following stock items were transferred to local warehouse from now Jayanagar store to showroom store. Now we have transferred 10 bicycles. Earlier we have transferred 10 bicycles from local warehouse to Jayanagar store. Now what they are doing is, now Shri Devi International, they are transferring 2 and 5 quantities of bicycle from Jayanagar store and showroom store to local warehouse. So for this, what I will do, first of all, I'll go back and go to alter option. and go to voucher types and go to stock journal. And here what I need to do, I need to create a name of the class. That is go down transfer. Alright. And they are now saying that do you want to use stock journal for inter without transfer? I'll enable this option. That's it. I'll go back, open vouchers and go to F10 and go to go down transfer class. See, my stock journal is open now. The destination Godown where I need to actually transfer the stock is local warehouse. So I'll select local warehouse. I'll select bicycle over here. Godown, first Godown is Jayanagar stores. From Jayanagar stores, I already transferred 10 bicycles. So out of 10 bicycles, I am again transferring 2 bicycles to local warehouse at the same rate. Now again bicycle I will select, and here I will select the ground as showroom stores. So out of showroom stores I am transferring 5 units of bicycle at the same rate. So this way, this is the inter-godown transfer. So inter-godown transfer means that when at the same time we have to transfer stock from 2 godowns or 3 godowns to only one destination godown, then we use the stock journal in godown inter-godown transfer class way. Alright, so this way my question is done. Alright. The next is now after purchasing the bicycle and after transferring the stock of the bicycle from one godown to another godown, now it's time to sell the inventory. So for this I'll go back, I'll open my vouchers, I'll open my sales voucher over here. What they are saying that Shri Devi International sold bicycles to Mega Cycle Mart. The stock was dispatched from showroom stores. So actually the stock which we are going to sold now to Mega Cycle Mart is going to be dispatched from showroom stores, not from the local warehouse. Alright, so the reference number is SAL001. SAL001. I'll create the party account name. Here is Mega Cycle Mart. Under sundry debtors. Alright. This way I'll select save this screen. Now I'll create a ledger of sales over here under sales account. Here I'll select bicycle. Godown is showroom stores. Quantity, how much I am transferring? 45 quantity at the rate 5500 I am transferring. That means I am selling to Mega Cycle Mart. So this way this entry is done. Here I'll need to put a reference number over here. Alright. Next is sometimes while keeping the stock in the particular warehouse, sometimes the stock gets damaged. So what we do at the time of damage of stock? So damaged goods are the goods which cannot be sold to the customer. We cannot sold inferior quality goods. We cannot sold obsolete goods. We cannot sold damaged goods to the customers. So the business will send these goods for reprocessing or sell it as a scrap. So in Teleprime, we can maintain a damaged goods detail. So for this, I'll select my F10 voucher and open my stock journal over here. Here what they are doing is they are, let's suppose Shri Devi International identified that the bicycle which is kept in local warehouse has got damaged and they transfer it to scrap warehouse. So basically out of total bicycles, the 2 bicycles have been damaged. while keeping in the godown. So I'll select my stock journal voucher, select my bicycle as a stock item. Godown is local warehouse and quantity is 2 at the rate 4900, transferring to destination bicycle, and the destination godown is scrap warehouse 2 at the rate 4900. So this way I have transfer my damaged stock from local warehouse to scrap warehouse. Now, after doing all these entries, now we will analyze some reports. So for this, we will go back, go to display more reports, go to statement of inventory, and now go to godowns, stock query. So you can see that these are the stock queries, and so okay. So right now we have almost done all the practical. So I hope you have understood everything very carefully. I'll get back to you in next video. Thank you so much.